Afternoon everyone, my name is Jamie at Anchor 4x4. I'm going to be walking you through this Defender 90 behind me. So it's finished in a Vulcan pack, so it has a few style options. As you can see, the livery on the bonnets, you've got the air vents and the spotlights. We also have plenty of nice black accents around the wheel arch leading into the back of the vehicle. You can open the rear door. This is a two-seater vehicle, bear in mind. So plenty of load space in the back. You've got hard wearing materials and two spotlights at the top for easy visibility and also lights, and you can see through all the way to the back of the vehicle. Heated rear glass as well. Lovely 5-spoke alloys. Two seats on this vehicle, as I said, so I'll show you those. These are cloth electric seats, so they do adjust electrically, and also pump action, and also on the channel. So we've got, sorry, I'll turn that off. So I'll walk you through a bit of the spec. So apologies if the frames are quite blinkery. We do have plenty of options here that you can see. Loads of 4x4 modes, loads of information about the vehicle, what's going on, your driving styles, CarPlay, Android Auto, and seat controls as well. Sat-nav built in, so you don't have to run the CarPlay, you can have sat-nav built in. We also have plenty of space on the dashboard for this information as well as your driving stems on the steering wheel. Auto gearbox, USB-C and USB-A, as well as cigarette lighter. We do have an instrument cluster as well, easy access with functional buttons, so if you don't want to mess around with the screen, you've got the access here. Easy volume up and down, which is actually a really good sound system. And opening the door just before we finish the video, you can see we have easy controls for folding mirrors and locking and putting down the windows. So that is everything of this Defender 90. It's available at Anchor 4x4.